If you get a P1590 trouble code when scanning your Outlander with a good OBD2 scanner, this means that the automatic transmission control unit can't properly communicate with the engine control unit. But in most cases, the problem is not with the units and even not with the wiring. There are basically three reasons for this code, and they are all pretty easy to check and even fix on your own. First of all, you need to confirm that the 12-volt battery is fitting good. The best way to do this is to check it with a load tester. If it's older than 5 years, I would just buy a new battery to rule out this possible reason for problems. Secondly, if you have any scanner or other device constantly plugged into the OBD2 port, it would be a good idea to take it out and drive for several days without it. Sometimes the presence of an aftermarket device in the diagnostic port may suddenly upset your Mitsubishi and you'll get random communication codes. And the most common problem is the issue with the malfunctioning relays. There are 4 relays in the Outlander that will need to be replaced, and you may learn more about this problem in the TSB number 1913003. It covers a bunch of different models, and there is a very detailed description of what happens when relays go bad. Usually this happens in cold weather, but given that relays can give up simply when it's cold, I believe they are just of quite bad quality and need to be replaced once you get this P1590 code. So for the 2014-2019 model years of the Outlander, you will need 1 mini ISO and 4 micro ISO relays. The TSB describes which exact codes will refer to which relay, but I believe you should be on the safe side and replace them all. Also pay attention to the recommended part numbers for the relays since they were updated in 2016, and earlier model year relays may not fix the problem. The relays in question are located in the engine compartment fuse box. Since there are no easily available relay maps, you may see in this TSB the location for each affected model. Here are the locations of the affected relays in the Outlander. You will need the MFI or main relay, then CVT or automatic transmission relay, throttle actuator or ETV relay, and also the starter relay. Given the OEM relays altogether cost like $80 and are easy to replace on your own, this is probably the most obvious step in case you see this P1590 code. Also use a multimeter with a continuity test and check all the fuses for continuity, because there are fuses that control each of the relays, and when the relays go out, the fuses may also be affected.